The CodeRED emergency alert system is down following a cyber breach, but Rhode Island's emergency management agency says it won't impact their job to share critical information in case of an emergency. NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo spoke with the director today, and she joins us live in the studio. Hey there, Gabrielle.
Barbara, CodeRED is a private system used by cities and states nationwide. In Rhode Island, the state and every municipality had it as a way to get information out. Account holders are now being urged to change their passwords.
It's the world we live in now.
In a world of more and more cyber attacks and data breaches, the CodeRED emergency alert system was the latest target. Data from users signed up to receive alerts was stolen, including names, home and email addresses, phone numbers, and passwords.
Whenever there's a hack and a cyber incident, we just tell people to change their passwords.
Has this impacted the state's ability to send out alerts at all?
Yes and no. We are still able, 100% able to send out alert and warning messages to the public. And we do that through the National IPAWS system.
That's the public alert and warning system run by the federal government that comes through on your phone without any account or sign up.
While it's concerning that one of our vendors was hacked and we can't use it, we never lost the ability to be able to alert and warn the public if a disaster or an emergency were to happen.
So what's the point of having CodeRED?
We can tailor CodeRED messages for locals to do, the garbage pickup. Is delayed a day, right? So, but in times of a serious emergency, we could use that bigger IPAWS system to message with the federal government. And for us, it's redundant, and we do everything with backup systems.
Well, hackers were able to get access to account information. I'm told they never had the ability to send out an alert of their own because that process requires multi-factor authentication. The key takeaway here, if you did sign up and had a CodeRED account, go change your passwords, especially if you tend to use the same password across multiple platforms. In studio, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.